Here is how to see which Instagram reels your friends liked. So, this feature is usually on by default, letting you see the reels your friends have liked, unless they have disabled it. First, you need to update your Instagram application to the latest version using the Play Store or the App Store. And then, after, go ahead and launch your Instagram application and log into your account. Go to the Reels section and look for your friend's profile picture icon in the bottom left hand side of the screen. And if you tap on their profile picture, you can also message them about the post that they have liked. If you don't see the friends or you want to hide your own likes, you can go to the settings tab, tap on your profile picture, then tap on the three lines in the top right corner of your screen. Then after scroll down, and there you'll see the option of activity in friends tab. Go ahead and tap on that. And here you'll get two different options of followers you follow back and no one. Change this to no one if you don't want anyone to see your likes and you simply want to hide them. If you're not seeing the friends option, try setting it to followers you follow back. Now return to this Reels section and you should see the friends list. So that's it. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching. We'll see you again in the next one.